Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into AOP Plus step by step clearly. To log into AOP Plus, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the AOP Plus login URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the login page. Once the page loads, locate the login fields at the center of the screen. In the first field, enter your registered email address. Next, move to the second field and type in your password. Double-check the information you have entered for accuracy. If you wish to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me box. Once you have filled in your credentials, click on the Login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your AOP Plus dashboard. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to receive a password reset email. Open your email and locate the password reset message from AOP Plus. Click on the link provided in the email to reset your password. Create a new password as instructed on the screen. Return to the login page after resetting your password. Enter your email and the new password you just created. Click the Login button again. You should now be successfully logged into AOP Plus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.